Welcome to the 1000 Verb Challenge for Beginners. Today, we're starting with 10 essential verbs that every beginner should know. Let's get started. Go. Go. I go to school every day. Eat. Eat. She likes to eat apples for breakfast. Run. Run. He can run very fast. See. See. I can see the birds in the sky. Make. Make. She likes to make cakes on weekends. Play. Play. The children play in the park after school. Read. Read. He likes to read books before bedtime. Write. Write. She can write her name very neatly. Talk. Talk. They like to talk about their day at dinner. Sit. Sit. Please sit down and relax. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-level verbs in our 1000 Verb Challenge. See you in the next video.